Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeSync. If you are starting out with web development or just curious about modern tools like React.js and Vite, you are in the right place. Today we are going to break down what is React.js and what is Vite and how Vite actually works under the hood to make your app load super fast. First, we should know what is React.js. React.js is a JavaScript library developed by Facebook for building user interfaces, especially for single page apps. Instead of dealing with raw HTML and DOM manipulation, React lets you build reusable components using JavaScript. One important thing in the React.js is it updates only the part of the page that needs to change using something called the virtual DOM, which makes it fast and efficient. Now let's talk about Vite. Vite is the next generation build tool created by Evan You, and it's changing the way we build front-end apps including React projects. It replaces older tools like Webpack and Create React app, and here it is why it is awesome. It's blazing fast and it has an instant dev server start, and it supports hot model replacement out of the box, and it uses ES modules during development. So how does Vite actually works behind the scenes? Unlike older bundlers, Vite doesn't bundle your whole app during development. During development, Vite serves your file via native ES modules. And native ES modules are nothing but it's a way to import and export JavaScript code using the built-in import export syntax. And they are now natively supported by modern browsers, so no bundlers required. Because of these native ES modules, when you change a file, Vite updates only the specific modules using a hard module replacement without reloading the whole page. This means you get super fast feedback while coding. And during production mode, Vite switches gears and uses roll up to bundle and optimize your app. It minifies the code, splits it for better performance, and creates production ready assets. So with Vite, you get speed during the development and optimization for production. And how Vite is different from Create React app. You might have used Create React app before. It was great back in 2017, but in today's world, it's a bit slow, heavy, and outdated. Every save takes forever, and the config is kind of a mess. Vite gives you instant feedback and a simpler, more modern setup. If you are building a new React project today, Vite is the best way to get started. It's a faster, simpler, and works great out of the box with things like TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and more. End of this video, what we can take in the mind like React helps you build a modern UI with components. Vite is a modern dev server and a bundler that makes development crazy fast. Together, they are a power combo for building apps in 2025. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. In the next video, we are going to set up an environment and creating a project with React and Vite. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet you in the next video.